Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to make pho gà, which is a chicken version of pho. It is super easy to make with easy to find ingredients. It is absolutely delicious and very healthy too. So let's get right to it. First, we fill a large pot with 2 large bone-in chicken breasts, 1 to 2 bone-in chicken thighs, and 10 cups of water. Place the pot on high heat to bring to a boil. In the meantime, prepare the rest. Peel and drop 1 large yellow onion into the pot. Slice the ginger and crush the garlic. Along with the rest of the spices, we place them in a spice strainer. You may find it in an Asian store or on Amazon. I have the link to it in the written recipe. Seal, then drop it to the pot as well. While still waiting for the water to boil up, let's start preparing the rest. Thinly slice half a large yellow onion or a whole small one. Chop them smaller, then transfer to a container. Wash and dice green onion and cilantro, then mix them together with the onion. This mixture is used in almost all the different soup dishes in Vietnam, and soup is the center of the whole cuisine. Mix the onion and cilantro mixture, then store in the fridge for now. While still waiting for the pot to boil, I quickly doing some cleaning. Now back to the pot, we want to skim out any scum to ensure we have pure, clean broth. Reduce heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for 1.5 hours. Congratulations, we're halfway through. Welcome back. The first thing we do is removing the chicken from the broth. Be sure to skim out any debris, bones in the bottom, because I'm pretty sure nobody wants to slope those in. Replenish with 5 or more cups of water, enough for 6 to 7 bowls of pho. Crank the heat up to bring back to a boil. Also skim out some floating fat if it seems too much for your liking. I know some people like to keep it all. Transfer chicken to a cutting board so they can cool down faster. Now we season our broth with 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce, and 1/4 teaspoon of black ground pepper. And finally, squeeze in half a lime. Now it is time to finish all this up. We soak our fresh rice noodles in hot tap water for 5 to 6 minutes. I'm using fresh noodles. They can be found in freezer section in an Asian grocery store. If you can't find it, you may use dry noodles from Amazon that I put the link in the written recipe. Dry noodles must be cooked in boiling water instead of soaking in hot tap water, and you typically want to cook a couple minutes less than suggested time on the packaging, unless you like super soft and soggy noodles. You may also want to rinse with cold tap water to remove excess starch. Flatten the chicken with a meat tenderizer makes it easier to pull and shred. Of course, honey. And it is time to make our pho bowl. We're both so excited. Set up our station ready. Drain off the water from the noodles. And the bean sprout. I drew this myself with a yogurt container. Super easy to do. Link to the instructional video is in the written recipe if you are interested. Now we add enough noodles for 1 serving to a bowl. 1 bag of 16 ounces fresh rice noodles make 3 to 4 bowls. Some chicken and bean sprouts. Then we pour the broth over everything. But before that, you want to make sure the broth is hard boiling, and also adjust seasoning to your taste with fish sauce or salt if needed. Traditionally, pho will be accompanied with some herbs like Thai basil and Vietnamese coriander leaves. If you can't find Thai basil, you may use regular Italian basil. Bean sprouts and onion mixture can be added after the broth if you prefer a dry, crunchy texture. Some drizzling of black ground pepper. Also, some people like myself enjoy some added sriracha hot sauce and hoisin sauce. A squeeze of lime at the table is highly recommended. Alright guys, that's all you need to know to make delicious homemade pho gà. If you have any questions or just like to say hi, let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, please consider hitting the thumb up and subscribe button to support my channel and for future content. Thank you so much for watching. You have a wonderful day. Bye bye.